my channel Learn English with Rupa, and this is my 6th day of 30 days English speaking challenge. So in this video I am going to talk about mirror practice. Why mirror practice is important, what are the advantages of mirror practice, and why we should do mirror practice. But before starting the video, I want to start my video through one small quote. So see, my quote is like this: if you cannot do a great thing, do a small thing in a great way. What is the meaning of this quote? Let me tell you. अगर आप कोई एक महान काम या बड़ा काम नहीं कर सकते हो तो एक छोटा सा ही काम करो, लेकिन उसे बहुत अच्छा से करो. Okay, and I want to add something important here, right? Like when people do something, so we get a lot of problems, compulsion, barrier. So people become so sad and melancholy. They say, God, why are you giving me a lot of problem? They start blaming God that I cannot do it. Why are you giving me problem? Like, see, there are a lot of people, they are not doing anything, so they are happy. But if I am doing something, so I am not happy. So God is taking your exam, that how much capability you have for this dream, how much sacrifices you can do for this dream. So you have to get higher number, means you have to pass in the exam. So how you can pass? If you work hard, if you maintain your consistency, if you work with discipline. Okay, so before any further ado, let's get start our video. So we are going to talk about mirror practice. So let's get started. What is mirror practice actually? So mirror practice is self-development communication technique involving speaking, texture, and how you are speaking at the front of your reflection. So like I just want to tell you this thing through action. Let me show you the action. I will do everything through action. Whatever I have spoken, I will tell you through action, so don't worry. सो गाइज अब देखो मेरा मिरर कितना बड़ा है, और हम लोग इसमें कपड़ा रखते हैं तो इसे हम वार्डरोब भी कहते हैं. और यहीं पर जब यहाँ पर हम लोग कपड़ा रखते हैं तो इसे वार्डरोब भी कहते हैं. और इसी में देखो मेरा अलग रूम में मिरर है, बट मैं उस मिरर में नहीं देखूंगी क्योंकि वो छोटा है. तो आपने मैं बता दूं आपको कि क्लास 10 चैप्टर 1 फिजिक्स में है कि अगर आप अपना फुल इमेज देखना चाहते हो पूरा सर से पैर तक, तो आप अपने हाइट का आधा मिरर लो. यानी कि आप 4 फीट के हैं तो 2 फीट का मिरर लो, आपका फुल इमेज आ जाएगा. तो आपको क्या करना है कि अपना ये मिरर प्रैक्टिसिंग करने के लिए आपको अपने हाइट का हाफ इमेज लेना है ताकि आप अपना पूरा बॉडी देख लो. देखो आई कैन सी माई फुल बॉडी. नाउ आई वांट टू टेल यू समथिंग कि आपको कैसे एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिस करना है. क्या होता है ना कि मिरर प्रैक्टिस हैज अ लॉट ऑफ एडवांटेजेस. फर्स्ट एडवांटेज is help you to boost your confidence. Yes, and you can see your body texture. It will gonna help you to make your fluency, and you will get also affirmative, like you will get positive vibe from it, and you can boost your confidence. I want to show you. प्रैक्टिस करते हो एवरी सिंगल डे, तो आपका तो पहला पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, यानी कि पब्लिक के सामने बोलने में आपको डर नहीं लगेगा. दूसरा आपका फ्लुएंसी अच्छा होगा. तीसरा आपका बॉडी टेक्सचर अच्छा होगा. एंड हाउ यू हैव टू डू प्रैक्टिस. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. अब एक टॉपिक ले लीजिए और उस पर बोलिए. जैसे कि मैंने एक टॉपिक लिया पॉल्यूशन. नाउ से कि nowadays pollution is increasing day by day. Why? Because people are becoming selfish. They are not taking their responsibility. They are not doing cleaning of their society. And like right now in 2026, in population, India is in the number 1. But Indian people are becoming selfish and they are not taking their responsibility as they should take, means they are not doing cleaning. But 5 to 6 years ago, China was in the top level in population, but they were taking the responsibility. They were taking responsibility, but Indian people are not taking their responsibility. But I am not like, you know, saying such kind. I don't want to take negativity about India, because I am also the citizen of India. But what can I say? It is happening in India. सो ऐसे आपको एक टॉपिक लेना है, उस पर बोलना है, जैसे कि आज आप लिए पॉल्यूशन के बारे में, और दूसरे दिन दूसरा टॉपिक लीजिए, तीसरे दिन तीसरा टॉपिक लीजिए, एंड जस्ट डू मिरर प्रैक्टिस. एंड वन थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू इन दिस हियर, मैं एक चीज आपको बता रही हूँ यहाँ पर कि देखो, मैं अभी आई एम राइट नाउ 16 ईयर ओल्ड, मैं अभी 16 साल की हूँ. सो इफ यू से मी to do such kind of activity, mirror practicing, speaking, I will do. But यहाँ पर people are learning English and like किसी का age 20 से ऊपर ही है. So I have seen they feel shy. So if you want to become fluent, and if you are shy, and if you are thinking that if I do mirror practice, if I speak like this, so what people are going to think, if you are embarrassing on yourself, if you are feeling so shy, if you are feeling so sad, so don't do this. Stop it. Why? Because if you want to achieve something, you will have to do hard work, you will have to face challenges. I know that some people will gonna support you, some people will gonna like, you know, misbehave with you, some people will gonna laugh on you, and some people will gonna create compulsion, barrier. So you don't have to worry, because this is the work of the people. But what you are thinking about yourself, it is really important. This matters a lot. See, I just want to tell you guys कि हम लोग सोचते हैं कि अरे मैं प्रैक्टिस करूँ तो वो क्या सोचेगा मेरे बारे में. सो व्हाई आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट पर्सन, क्या मैं गलत काम कर रहा हूँ? फर्स्ट whatever you are starting, just ask to yourself, am I doing wrong thing? Am I doing wrong thing? Answer will definitely come from inside. And whatever the problem you are facing, say to the God. एंड देखो, अगर आप अभी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हो तो इट्स ओके. डोंट ब्लेम गॉड दैट कि व्हाई आर यू गिविंग यू अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. नो, गॉड you have to motivate someone, and right now you are on the stage and someone is asking, sir, you were so poor, but right now you are living a prosperous life. Opulent life, wealthy life. How can I know what was your secret? So आप अब क्या बोलोगे यहाँ पर? आपको तो कोई लेसन ही नहीं है, क्योंकि आप तो प्रॉब्लम फेस ही नहीं किए हो. तो इसीलिए भगवान प्रॉब्लम देते हैं कि अगर कोई आप पूछेगा कि आप कैसे यहाँ इस मंजिल तक पहुँचे, तो आपको वो एक like today you faced some problem, okay? So this is the one page of your book. And when you will have become successful person, and when people will be asking to you, so from this book your answer will come, and this book is inside your mind. ये book आपके mind में है. अगर कोई पूछेगा कि आप कैसे successful बने, तो you can say कि I have also faced problem. You will get problem. God is taking your exam, and so many people will gonna laugh on you, but you don't have to worry. Keep working hard, keep smiling, and don't try to revenge with them. Let them be. Ignore people. Those who are laughing at you, those who are making fun on you, on your English, on your life, so they will regret one day. They will embarrass one day. So just do it and work hard. And और भी कोई इंफॉर्मेशन आपको जानना है मिरर प्रैक्टिस के बारे में, तो आप जान सकते हो. आई थिंक इट इज़ इनफ फॉर यू. आपको ये बहुत अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंट देगा. एंड अगर आप एवरीडे एक टॉपिक लेकर मॉर्निंग में उठ जाओ भाई और प्रैक्टिस कर लो. एंड so many activity you can do. There are a lot of activity. Okay, and you can even record yourself and सुनो कि कहाँ मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ, कहीं ग्रामेटिकल